If you're anything like me and you have allergies and the pollen this season is crazy and it's absolutely trying to take you out like it's trying to take me out, but you still want to smell good walking out your house, I have a couple of good selections I want to share with you. I am Cordelia and welcome to my scented sanctuary. Hi guys, if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Cordelia. We talk about faith and fragrance on this channel, honey, because as for me and my house, honey, we're going to serve the Lord and we're going to smell good doing it. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. In this video, y'all, I want to talk about how this pollen has been insane. Okay, the pollen has been trying to take me out, my children out, my husband. Honey, the pollen is crazy. The pollen is crazy this season. I don't know where you live or where you are, but here where I am, if you're from where I'm from, the pollen is crazy. But I don't want it to, I still want to smell good walking out my house. I still want to smell good and feel put together with my fragrances on. So these are the fragrances I'm reaching for during this heavy pollen season. So during this time, I like to reach for my musky fragrances, guys. So the first one I want to talk about is by Matiere Premier, and it's called Parisian Musk, and this is how it looks. Y'all, this is going to be your woody musk. This is more of a woody musk fragrance. Now, when I say woody, it's not deep, dark, and heavy, okay? The notes are Virginia cedar, musk, ambrette, and ambroxan. That's pretty much it. But to me, to my nose, in my opinion, it has a fruity nuance to it. Something of a fig or an apricot. Something to that nature. I'm not sure if Virginia cedar gives off a fruity nuance. I'm not familiar with Virginia cedar, but that is the top note. But yes, it gives me a fruity nuance. Something fruity, something soft, but still musky. So if you're a musk lover and you still want something fruity, soft, and doesn't agitate your allergies, Parisian Musk is a beautiful fragrance. I don't hear a lot of people talking about Parisian Musk as one of their musk fragrances, but I love it. I've had so many samples from the scent room. At this point, they are sick of me, okay? Because one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some samples, okay, from the scent room when I purchase something. I've had several samples of this, had a chance to play with it. For me and my skin and the way I spray, this is all day wear. This lasts me through a whole 8-hour work shift. It's unoffensive, compliment getter. It's a mass appealing. It's just a beautiful, soft, musky fragrance with a slight fruity nuance, but it is on the woodier side of the musk, okay? So again, this is Parisian Musk by Matiere Premier. Okay, y'all, and the second one I'm gonna talk about is everyone's favorite, I believe, and that's going to be Initio's Musk Therapy. This is a beautiful, again, a crowd-pleasing, mass-appealing musk fragrance. This is gonna have your citrus notes at the top, bergamot, mandarin, then it has some magnolia for your florals, cassis, florals, and then you have two different types of musk, white musk, and I forget the other type of musk, but it is two different types of musk in here. This is so beautiful, y'all. If you haven't gotten get your nose on this first, because this here, the cup, yeah, I don't want to talk about the price of the fragrances these days, and I'm scared to see how they're going to go up with the way the world is going. But baby, get you a sample, get you a decant, get your nose on this. This is a beautiful, beautiful musky fragrance, but this has a creaminess to it. And this is not woody. This is more of a fruity musk with a floral nuance and creamy. Something in here is giving it a creaminess. It's not a lactonic musk, okay? But it is a creamy musk. That magnolia, I'm starting to see that I love magnolia as a floral in my fragrances. So the magnolia is in here. It is present. It's beautiful. It's soft. It's wearable. It's not going to agitate your allergies. You can still walk out your house feeling put together, smelling good. This is a compliment getter, guys. To say it's a musk fragrance and to say it's a soft wear, it's not going to project beast mode, but this is a compliment getter. It's a scent bubble type of fragrance. And again, this is just a beautiful, beautiful, creamy, musky fragrance. Unlike the Parisian Musk that I just showed you guys, that one was more of a fruity, woody musk. This is a fruity floral with a creamy base to it in that musk. This is beautiful. This is just, I believe everybody who has Initios probably started with this or Atomic Rose in their collection, but this is a beautiful, beautiful musk fragrance. This is, listen, I can wear this. I don't sneeze. Eyes don't run, none of that, baby, because the way my allergies have been acting up this season with this pollen. Where is this pollen coming from, y'all? But baby, this right here, this and all the ones I'm mentioning to you guys today have been, they've been my ride or dies. They've been my ride or dies because it's been giving me what needs to be gave in this pollen, in this allergy season, but I'm still smelling good, feeling put together, and getting all the compliments, y'all. Okay, so again, this is Initio's Musk Therapy. The next one I want to talk to you guys about is by Forvr Mood, and this is the You Remind Me. Y'all, this is a soft, beautiful, very musky. Now this is going to be your skin like musk, your skin but better type of musk. It has orange blossom, apricot, and musk. Okay, this is gorgeous. This is soft, is sensual. I feel like it's just a sensual musk. I love this. It has like just a sensual, not sexy, but just sensual, kind of alluring type of musk. It's not loud. It's not beast mode. It's going to sit close to the skin, but give you just the cutest, the most beautiful scent bubble. Okay, you're still going to get compliments, but it's not going to do the most. It's not going to go overboard. You're not sneezing, your eyes not running. It's not going to agitate your allergies or the person allergies next to you. Okay, because that's, we don't want to be offensive. Even though I like a loud beast mode fragrance right now, the way I'm feeling with these allergies, I don't want to offend nobody else with their allergies, y'all, because baby, the pollen is trying to kill us. Okay, so yes, this is You Remind Me by Forvr Mood. This is your skin but better. You know how they say that's your skin but better. I never understood that statement until I started getting into the musky fragrances. So I think a lot of musk fragrances are going to be considered your skin but better fragrances, and this is definitely one of them. This is definitely a your skin but better. The apricot, I love it so much. Love apricot down, and it's just musky and beautiful, y'all. Just musky and beautiful, your skin but better. This is an everyday wear. You don't even have to think about it. This is pull it out for work, pull it out for church, pull it out for brunch, put it out for lunch. Like, you don't have to think about it. You can just reach for this any time of the day, y'all. I would even go as far as to say I'll wear this at nighttime now, because I'm telling you, my allergies have been insane. I don't mind reaching for something soft and sensual for nighttime. I don't right now, I don't want to oud. I know. I don't want an oud right now. I want something soft. I want something sensual, and I want something that's not going to kill me. Okay? Right now, I don't want no ouds. Just at the moment. Just right now, at this moment. Okay? So, this is what I'm reaching for. The You Remind Me by Forvr Mood. Okay, guys. The next one is by Montblanc, and it's called Signature. Y'all, this is another beautiful musky fragrance. I love this one down, y'all. I love this one down. This is all year round. Of course, I'm not biased to the seasons, okay? If you're new here, I'm not biased to the seasons. I'm going to wear what I want to wear, when I want to wear, how I want to wear it. That's just me, okay? Not being cocky, but I'm not biased to the seasons. And this is one I would definitely wear year round. All of them I wear year round, basically, but definitely this one. This is going to be more of a vanilla musky fragrance. This just like the Musk Therapy has a creaminess in that base. It's a creaminess to this one. So this is going to be your vanilla musk. At the top, it's going to have clementine and orchids. In the middle is going to have magnolia, and that's where the vanilla is, baby. But the vanilla brings a creaminess to it. In the base, of course, you have musk and amber. That amber and that vanilla together, it just gives this a beautiful creamy feel. Not lactonic, okay? Because lactonic and heat, they don't go together real bad, okay? They don't. But this is just a creaminess, and to my nose, in my opinion. This is a creamy vanilla amber musky fragrance. This is so beautiful, baby. And the dry down in this one, chef's kiss, baby. This gives you just like, it just has a creamy accord, y'all. The accord is just creamy. The clementine It gives it a slight citrus, just a slight citrus, but the magnolia and the orchid, y'all, mixed with that vanilla and the amber. This is just a beautiful musk. This is a bit more beastly, not beast mode, but it projects a little bit more than the Musk Therapy. That is what I like about this. The Musk Therapy, depending on how you spray. Now, if you're oversprayer like me, you can get that Musk Therapy to last you 8-9 hours. Easy, okay? If you know how to layer and if you know how to overspray. But this one, you don't even have to really overspray this like talking about it. I am an oversprayer this season. The way the pollen is set up, I have not been overspraying that much. Okay, that much. But yes, this can easily last me a work hour shift, 8-hour shift, because of that amber and that vanilla, just that dry down just has a beautiful creaminess to it, and I just love the dry down of this fragrance. Again, this is Montblanc Signature. Okay guys, and the last one I want to talk to you about is by Clean Reserve, and this is, I mean, this is a no-brainer if you have allergies, if you're suffering with this horrible pollen. This is a clean brand, so clean products, clean brand, and this is Clean Reserve, and this is the sparkling sugar. This is my favorite one. Now this one is going to have your black currant, your peach, your nectar, and your musk. So this is going to be your fruity, your sweet, musky fragrance. And again, this is clean. Now for me, I can get a good 3 hours of wear out of this. And I really don't like to talk about longevity of fragrances anymore, because if you're oversprayer and you know how to layer your fragrances, they can last longer than what most people would say they're lasting, okay? So if you're like me, and you want your fragrance to last a little bit longer, a fragrance like Clean Reserve Sparkling Sugar, for instance, the one we're talking about, I'll take an unscented body butter, spray the actual fragrance in my palm of my hand with the body butter, rub it over my body, and there you have just made a body butter, the same fragrance, the same scent as your fragrance. And then you top it off with this, baby. This gonna last you. That's gonna last you 4 or 5, 6 hours right there. Okay, you just got to know how to layer them and put them on. But a clean fragrance like this, it doesn't have like beast mode projection. It's not going to give you 9, 10, 11 hours of longevity, but you can make it stretch. Okay, I love this, especially for this time of year. This is my second bottle of this actually, because I really sleep in this the most. Since the pollen has been insane, I've started wearing this to work. So yes, this is the sparkling sugar. Again, that's going to be your peach nectar, your black currant, your musk. I mean, this is just, you know, this is a nice playful, not you don't have to think about it. You reach for this, pull this out. This is not going to be sensual, this is not gonna be sexy, this is not gonna be flirty. This is just a beautiful, again, it's a little bit more than your skin, but better because of those fruity notes in it. But it does sit close to the skin. It's not, in my opinion, it's not even a big scent bubble. But that is the whole point. If you are suffering with allergies, you don't want a projective fragrance. You don't want the ooze. You don't want the oohs and ahs, okay? So this is perfect for those who want a clean fragrance, for those who have really bad allergies, who's suffering in this season. Get your nose on the Clean Reserve line in general, but this is my favorite. The sparkling sugar is the one I like the most. It's sweet, it's fruity, it's an easy reach, it's playful. I love to sleep in this as well. I will link my video where I have some other fragrances that I love to sleep in. I'll link it up in the cards above. I did film a sleep better with these fragrance videos. I'll link it up. But anyway, yes y'all, I love Clean Reserve Sparkling Sugar, especially to combat this pollen season. Okay guys, that's it for me in this video today. If you suffer with allergies and this pollen is just crazy right now, and you're reaching for some fragrances that don't, you know, agitate your allergies even more, let me know down in the comments what you guys are reaching for. If you're reaching for any of these I've named, or you have anyone you want to put us on to, y'all, let's chat. I love chatting with y'all in the comment section. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. If you found value in this content, let YouTube know you found value by hitting that like button. Subscribe to your girl. And if you know someone who is suffering with allergies, baby, don't let them suffer. Help them out. Don't let them suffer. Share this video so they can know what fragrances they need to be reaching for at this time of the year. Okay, again, I am Cordelia. This is my scented sanctuary, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.